Hi everyone, today we will learn how to make this navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So let's start to create this navigation bar using HTML and CSS. Now I will go to my Visual Studio Code and I already opened active navbar folder, and under this folder I will take a file index.html and other is style.css to give the style our HTML template. And now I will take boilerplate HTML boilerplate and give the title name is active tab hover animation navbar. Now I will connect CSS file here, so links clone CSS, and then I will connect font awesome CDN for our icon. So just go to the browser and here this font awesome CDN, just copy and paste it here, and now I will take a div and give the class name will container, and then I will take another div into this container and give the class name will menu, and for each element I will take list tag. So under this list tag I will take anchor and span tag, so just use image then anchor tag, and then I will take span and this span tag class name is fa home. If I go to the live server, I open live server and want to see our browser, just we can see here the one bullet point and one icon. So now I will duplicate 5 times and change the icon name. This is the comment and this is the envelope and this is the heart icon and this one is user. So now I will go to the browser and we can see here all icon. So last one is home, notice this one is home, this one is user. Just refresh. Okay, and now I will go to the style.css and give the style, and whole browser I will give the margin 0, padding also 0, box border box and box sizing border box, and font family will Poppins and sans serif, by default sans serif. For the Poppins font we need to import our Google font Poppins font element, just copy it and paste it here at the beginning. So now I will take HTML tag and body tag and give the style here display grid, and height will 100%, height with 100%, and now I will give the place item center and text align also center, and background off white background will take here, so F2, and now I will take container class name container and give the height 80 pixel, 80 pixel, and width also 80 VW. Line height also 80 pixel, and background white. And now I will give just first I show you on our browser, and just we will give our background white, and now I will give the box shadow. Box shadow will 0, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, and RGBA 0.25. then we'll go to our browser, then we can see here the box shadow. And now I will take container, then menu, and menu will display flex, and all items is flex. And now I will remove our list bullet point. So just copy it, container to menu, and then we'll take list tag, and list style will none, and just go to the browser and check here all bullet point is removed. And now the list flex is 1, and font size I will give 30 pixel, and cursor pointer and user select none. And then I will take this one is copy and put it here, and after list I will take anchor tag and give the color is F2 3V 26. And now I will copy container to list tag and take first child anchor tag and give the color also same this one. And now I will give here, I will take here one div, class name is line. This one for this bottom border, this border. Now I will give the style this line. So container and menu, copy it here, and after menu I will take line class and give the position absolute, height 5 pixel, width 20%, and now is background color this one, and left 0. So just go to our browser here, just left 0, and bottom 0. But we can see here the element is go to the down because this is the line, this line is children, but parents is also give to the need to give here position relative. Then we can check our browser. this one is fixed. Now I will give here this line hover. When we go to the second element, then this border also move here. So now I will take this menu from this copy and li, and take n child from 2 and hover line, and then left is 20%. If I check our browser, just go to second element, this is this line, this border line is moved, but it is so fast. That's why we will give here our line transaction all 3 second is. Now I will check our browser. This one is moving very smoothly. Now I will copy it few time and another more. Here 3 number is changed, 4 and 5, here is 1 6. Just now I will change here is 40%, difference is 20%, and this one is 60%, and this one is 80%, and it was also 100%. So now I will check our browser. This one is moving is smoothly every items. So looks very good. So this is our navigation bar. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, just click the subscribe button. HMCodeForge. Thank you so much.